No.
Good day to you, Ma'am Sir. I'm Minerva Jean Ramos, 35 years old. I am married. I have one son, 18 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. My working experience on my previous job is taking care of a newborn baby, babysitting, household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, and marketing. And my latest job are taking care of our three kids, babysitting, proper hygiene of the kids, tutoring, playing with the kids, sending them to the school, household chores, cleaning, ironing, and cooking. I am honest, hardworking person and God-fearing person. I preferred my job to work alone, and I prefer my job to taking care of kids, elderly, or pet care. If you choose me, Ma'am Sir, I do my very best to work, and I'm happy to see you soon. Thank you.